Hello everyone and welcome back to our English podcast. Today we are going to talk about very interesting topic, figures of speech. Figures of speech are special ways of using words to make our English more interesting, colorful and expressive. You will often hear them in movies, songs, books, conversations and everyday English. So let's learn some common figures of speech with simple examples. First, simile. A simile compares two things using words like or as. For example, she is as busy as a bee. This means she is very busy. Another example is he runs like a wind. It means he runs very fast. Second, metaphor. Metaphor compares two things directly without using like or as. For example, time is money. Of course, time is not actually money. This sentence means that time is very valuable. Another example is she is a shining star. It means she is very talented or special. Third, personification. Personification gives human qualities to animals, objects, or nature. For example, the wind whispered through the trees. The wind cannot really whisper like a person, but this sentence makes the description more beautiful. Another example is the sun smiled at us. The sun cannot actually smile, but we use this expression to create a picture in our minds. Fourth, hyperbole. Hyperbole means a strong exaggeration. We use it to emphasize an idea. For example, I have told you 1,000,000 times. You probably does not say it is 1,000,000 times. It simply means you have said it many times. Another example is I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. This means you are extremely hungry. Fifth, idiom. An idiom is an expression whose meaning is different from the literal meaning of the words. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. It does not mean cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It means it is raining very heavily. Another common idiom is break a leg. It does not mean you actually want someone to break their leg. It is a way of wishing someone good luck, especially for a performance. Sixth, alliteration. Alliteration happens when several nearby words begin with the same sound. For example, Peter picked a pack of purple pencils. Listen to the repeated P sound. Alliteration is common in poems, in advertisements, songs, and tongue twisters. Now let's review what we learned today. A simile compares things using like or as. A metaphor makes a direct comparison. Personification gives human qualities or non-human things. Hyperbole uses exaggerations. An idiom has a special meaning that is different from the literal words. And alliteration repeats the same beginning sound. Learning figures of speech can make your English sound more natural and expressive. When you watch an English movie or listen to an English song, try to notice these expressions. Don't worry if you don't understand every figure of speech immediately. Write down new expressions, learn their meaning, and try to use them in your own sentences. For example, today you can practice by making one simile, one metaphor, and one hyperbole. Remember, learning is not only about learning grammar or vocabulary. It's also about learning how native speakers express ideas in creative ways. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next podcast.